The pricing of the business agreement was something new for me because I've never had a franchise before, never bought a franchise before. So I took my franchise agreement to a business lawyer, and she was the one who told me that it was the best franchise agreement she ever saw now. So, and she pointed out for me that there was quite a few things that they were offering the franchisees that no other franchise would offer. Hi, I'm Sarah from Willigh, and I'm originally from South Africa. We're living in New Zealand for 15 years. I used to work for a pharmaceutical company for 11 years, and before that I used to work for 20 years for a tobacco manufacturer. Being a supply chain manager for a pharmaceutical company, can be quite stressful. So the balance between work and life was quite stressful sometimes. One evening, I've just decided I want my own business. And my husband said, "So what do you want to do?" And I said, "Anything, as long as I love it." And he said, "So what do you love?" And I said, "Coffee." And he said, "No, there's too many coffee shops." "So what's the next thing you love?" And I said, "Cleaning." And he said, "Oh, why not?" So I immediately jumped on the internet and contacted Brendan. Actually, I knew nothing about business, and the longer I'm in the business, the more I realize that I didn't know anything, less than nothing. I saw Brendan 3 days after I've contacted him. He went through the whole process with me, how much it's going to cost, what it includes, the price, what it includes, the support, the call center, how the call center works, how the leads work. And then after that, he helped me quite a lot with the whole process of buying the business and setting up GST, creating my business name and register it. And then after that, I've started a 13-week period with Bella, the support and training manager. And she was really supportive. I've learned a lot. Always thought I know how to clean, but I didn't. Brendan and Tracy are very helpful, supportive, and they're always willing to help. And it doesn't matter when you call them, they also always answer their phone. The biggest surprise for me was how quick my business grew. It was unbelievable. I immediately started with like a few regular customers, and I've also received quite a lot of leads in the first two weeks, and for vacant cleaning and also for more regular work. And people started to put my services on the Torbay Facebook page, and I would just get like 5 calls a day in the first 2 weeks. When I first started my business, I was really insecure. Like I said, we always thought I know how to clean, and then suddenly it feels like you don't know anything. It's like starting a new job for the first time in your life. So, but as you go, make mistakes when you quote people, underquote, overquote. As you go, you grow some confidence. I think for me the biggest challenge was not to work too long on a job, because I'm quite a perfectionist, so I want to do stuff perfect, like 100 and really perfect. So I would sometimes work too long on a job, and then I've totally underquote myself. Yeah, that's my biggest challenge. The biggest reward for me in this business is to schedule my own time. It is, if I don't want to work on a Friday, I schedule my time that I don't work on a Friday. So for me, it's by having more family time or time at home. My plan for the business is to grow. I'm very, very full. I've got quite a lot of regular customers, and I have quite a lot of vacant cleanings on a weekly basis, so I definitely have to think of employment people.